Today we'll be demonstrating user functionality of the Texecom Premier Elite panel. To add a user onto the Texecom Premier panel, first enter your master code. Then scroll down the menu until you see set up users. Okay, when you see do you want to set up users in the display, press yes. It will immediately go to the next available user in the system. For this instance it's user 6, so we'll say yes. Now it's asking for a user code. At this point you need to enter a code or continue on and add a tag, fob. So keep pressing yes through the submenus until you see add tag displayed. It's most important that you press number 2 to import the tag rather than add the tag, because if the tag has been used anywhere else it will change the configuration of the tag as well as enroll it onto the system. Okay. So now it's asking for you to present the tag. So user 6 and tag 6 are now enrolled on the system. You can now press menu, 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 reset and exit. User 6, tag 6 is now working on the system. So this is where you enter your new 4-digit code and press yes. You can now press the menu button to escape out, press reset, and you're now out of the system. The code is now entered into the system and ready to use.